Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this beautiful, because I have to say, these are really well made. These panels that you can put in the wall, you can put in your patio, you can put in your garden, you can put anywhere, but this brand sent it to me for this video, and I have to say that these ones are, again, really well made. I'm gonna kind of like spread them out so you can see them all better. I'm gonna show you a surprise, something that I was not expecting that I got in the box. But check this out. Each one of this one, they're 20 by 20, and you have 6 pieces, and they come with kind of like this the backdrop of the panel is made of this really nice kind of like mesh. So you can either use the zip ties, if you want, or you can actually nail them or screw them to the fence if you want, to the wall or something like that. But you have a total of 6 panels that they're gonna look like this. But check this out, they look fantastic. These are the entire surface, the 20 by 26 pieces total, and you can see how nice these ones are made, that they have kind of like plants growing out of the panels. This is just not like some fake grass or something like that, but the surprise is actually this. Check it out. It comes with flowers, plenty of flowers. It also comes with the zip ties, and it can come with some kind of like a growing plant that you can put as well. But the best thing, it comes with lights. So you can actually plug those lights to one of your plugs outside, which I don't have, so that's why I can't show you that, but you can put some batteries maybe. I don't know, maybe you can put some batteries, but you can plug those, and at night you will have a complete set, a big panel showing lights, flowers with the zip ties, really easy to install once you put them all together. And of course, on a fence, on a patio or something like that, they will look fantastic. I'm gonna try this right away and probably make another video, because this thing is just fantastic. It looks super cute and it's really well made.